Everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a mani using two colors from the Halloween 2022 collection from Simply Rose Custom Dips. The first color here, it's called Lil Pumpkin, and it is a bright neon orange, but it's more of like a darker undertone orange, and it's super pretty, and I think it's the perfect orange for Halloween. And then the next one here, it's a hollow glitter, and it has a clear base, and I love the name Hollow Queen, and it shifts between neon green, purple, oranges. It's super pretty. And then here are all the other colors in the 2022 collection. So I really like Hollow Queen and Lil Pumpkin together. I think it's really cute for Halloween. And this is going to be a very simple yet still Halloweeny mani, and we're going to be using these awesome medium stiletto nail tips, so it's kind of like a witchy mani kind of vibe, but yet we're not going to add any nail art or anything like that. We're just going to keep it really simple because I feel like Hollow Queen is so pretty on its own that I really just wanted a mani with just that. And then we're just going to do some pops of orange with the Lil Pumpkin. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and check out all that sparkly goodness. Hollow Queen is melting my heart right now with all that sparkly goodness. And then the pop of orange is like perfect. So simple yet sparkly Halloween mani. And I like the medium stiletto because it's giving me kind of like a witchy vibe. So super cute, super fun. Definitely check out Simply Rose Custom Nail Dips. They have some really fun Halloween colors. There's even a color on their website called Haunted House. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!